Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade hazelnut cocoa spread. I love this recipe because it goes good with almost any dessert. You can put it as a vanilla fudge for your ice cream, or you can even put it on toast topped with strawberries. It complements it absolutely perfectly. It is so easy to make. It is 5 ingredients and they're all natural, so none of this is bad for you. So to make this, what I'm going to use is, I have 1.5 cups of hazelnuts. I'm just going to put it Vitamix. 1.5 cups of macadamia nuts. I like the macadamia nuts because they give it that fat flavor, gives it a robust taste. And I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil so it will blend perfectly. And then to top it off, you're going to put a little bit of date syrup. This is going to give it that sweet flavor. And then you're just going to put some cocoa powder in. Now this you can put as much or as little as you like. I like mine to be extra dark chocolate, so I put a few tablespoons. This is my homemade hazelnut chocolate spread, and I will show you how good it goes perfectly on a piece of toast. I'm just going to put it into a container for now. And here you have a delicious hazelnut cocoa spread that goes perfectly with toast. You can use it as a dipping sauce, however you want to eat it. You can take it right out of the container if you like. It is a wonderful treat. I hope you enjoy.